Well, it's a setback for Zee Entertainment. SEBI has rejected the applications by Zee Entertainment and Puneet Goenka for a settlement. A SEBI panel has referred the case for further investigation. My colleague Charu is here to give us the full details.
Hi, so what has happened in this case is that the market regulator, Securities and Exchange Board of India, had earlier given a notice against Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited, Subhash Chandra and Puneet Goenka. And however, they saw that settlement applications were made by these notices to sort of navigate the situation into a better direction. But the regulator, the panel of the whole time members of the regulator thought that this is too serious of a case to be settled, and that is why they went ahead with further investigations on the charges that were leveled against these three notices. Now, SEBI has come out with sort of an order, or basically a piece of document that says that the previous findings and the allegations that were made in 2022 will be added to the new findings that have been observed by the regulator as per its further investigation that was directed earlier. And both of these are going to be subsumed together. Both of these are going to be added together, and the proceedings against these three notices, Zee, Puneet Goenka and Subhash Chandra, are going to take place. So we can understand that the investigation of the SEBI against these three notices and the further developments that SEBI was supposed to take place are almost over, and that is why they are almost on the right path to come out with a more inclusive order that has both earlier and the recent findings, so that they can take some actions against these entities.
Thanks for those key insights. Now